My first question to this is, how will they fund it? Anyways, people, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today we have a lot of topics to be touching into. The PNP promised free education. We also get reports that dancehall artist Skeng had been robbed in Paris and much more, so stay tuned. According to TVJ News, the first child in every household who enrolls in university will not have to pay. That's the promise of the People's National Party, should it win the next general election, Kerry and Simpson's report. Now people, I want you to share your thoughts on this down in the comment section below. Tell me what you think.
Occasion was the opening of the constituency office for Spanish Town's Mayor Norman Scott, who is the PNP's candidate for Southeast St. Elizabeth.
I want to tell the man who is squatting in the constituency now that don't worry, you can send out all who you want to send out to take down the billboards, because I am here to stay. I am coming to replace you, because the people said for 9 years they have not seen anything that you have done for this constituency.
He is sending a strong message to the JLP's Frank Witter, who currently holds the seat, that his days are numbered. Opposition spokesman on education Damian Crawford turned to national issues in what he dubbed his freedom speech.
The freedom to achieve starts with education.
Now, in further news, we have been hearing reports that dancehall artist Skeng was robbed in Paris. They said Skeng was attacked in Paris and them took everything from the artist. So please listen to this clip for more information.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. It's reported that dancehall artist Skeng was robbed in Paris, with sources claiming that his jewelry, money, phone and laptop was taken during the incident. We have footage that was sent to us, and while we are still gathering, some more details and everything, people close to Skeng have also heard the same reports. Some of them tried to reach out to Skeng but were unable to get in touch with the artist. Now imagine calling your closest friend, someone that you talk to on a regular basis, and suddenly they're unreachable. Not because they're in a business meeting or anything like that, they're just completely out of contact. So that would be concerning. The person that was reaching out to Skeng is Skeng close friend and business partner, and them couldn't get in touch with the artist. Anyway, if this report turns out to be true, it's unfortunate and should be a wake-up call for dancehall artists or artists in general traveling to Europe. Anywhere really, you need to get your security, prioritize your security, like how you see Vybz Cartel them do it. Because if this wasn't just a random thief, then the situation would have been totally different. You see me? The fact that someone could get close to the artist and pull off a stunt like this, then say there's a gap in the security. And I just want the people to understand that this is not about misinformation or rumors or anything like that. We receive the information from credible sources, and as we get more details or more details emerge or whatever the case is, we will keep you updated, and that's just that.
In other news, people are unhappy with MC Nuffy for his interruption at Vybz Cartel and Friends concert. Now people, I want you to share your thoughts on this down in the comment section below, because a lot of people have been saying that he's not doing anything wrong, but a lot of people say it's like he's trying to mash up Cartel show. So just let me know what you think about it in the comment section.
I say no, I don't mean I say look, we no afraid of no bullbuck. Go for your army, go for your army. Jump now man, got the spinner, got the spinner, got the spinner. Yeah, my dancer, what we do? Don't give a fuck. Chef, the 6 months where never go with them Chinese, the Astella. Where never go with them. Hey, how we make a meal man? Nobody like number 5 God. No man, no give me the shot, me don't chat in. Boy, program me gun shot it. Come shot, go through it. Gun shot in. But yeah, when me ask Steve, the gun shot it.
General people, when I tell it look like the Vybz Cartel, I look for Nuffy and I say, what that brother you do, man? But him just carry on with the show. Me have a comment Cartel for him professionalism still, because if I did me, Nuffy would have get boot. Now, there have been massive protests taking place across large sections of Europe that the media seems to not be covering. I don't know why, but the media has not been covering it. But today I want to highlight one of those protests, the protest in Serbia. It was the largest protest in Serbian history. So I want you to hear the facts from this fellow gentleman on the internet. Take a listen.
Last night, we just witnessed the largest protest in Serbia's history. So here's what they were protesting and what went down. For starters, the government put the number at 107,000. Independent monitors said that more than 325,000 turned up, while unofficial numbers estimated as many as 800,000. And all of this is a student-led movement. It was called the 15th for 15 protest, referring to the 15 people that were recently killed after a concrete and glass canopy collapsed on them at a rail station. Protests in the country have been ongoing since then because they say that no one has been held accountable for the tragedy, and many blame government corruption, demanding that they publish all of the documentation related to the station's renovation and for the president, Vučić, to resign. Now, to make things worse, videos started circulating online this weekend that claim that during the 15 minutes of silence for the 15 who were killed, police allegedly used LRADs or sound cannons. These are devices that have been used at protests before, even in the United States, and they can emit a focused beam of sound so loud that it's enough to make people vomit or even cause hearing damage. Now, keep in mind, these reports are still yet unconfirmed, but videos show this large crowd split in two almost in a perfect line. In a subreddit of people participating in the protest, one said through people that they have spoken to, it seems that everyone in the line of the wave felt very strange. They said their brain stopped working and they just started running involuntarily. Many people also felt very exhausted. Now, although started by students, this movement has also gained people from every background, including taxi drivers, farmers, lawyers, and even veterans. So the question is, what do you guys think about this?
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, that's it for the video. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, Bird Nation, stay sharp.